I'm John Klesnick. I've been a fellow cleaner since 1985. I'm the founder of Bonnet Pro, and Bonnet Pro has a new innovation for you to help you generate income, which is the DreamWash Mattress Cleaning System, removing allergens, mites, and more. And that's one of the big reasons we're doing this, is to help reduce allergens and the fecal pellets and the dust mites in the bedding. So what I'm going to do is go through one of the products in this. Now, this product is probably one of my favorites that we came up for this. And when we were doing the restoring the death scene mattress for one of our training videos, we were struggling with removing the blood out of the pure cotton bedding. So what this will do is it's a blood stain remover, and it's can be used also to assist or be a pre-spray. So if the blood has been set, it's very difficult and sometimes impossible to get out. But if the blood is fresh and it hasn't been tampered with, this will do an outstanding job of completely removing it. You spray it on, you let it sit for 30 minutes, and this can be laundry also. This could be an undergarment, this could be a shirt from a nosebleed, or an accident on a mattress. So you would spray this on, you let it sit 30 minutes and wash it out. And I'm going to put some pictures after this clip segment in the video, and you can just see how fantastic it was on that death scene mattress. This is a must-have for your mattress cleaning, for your carpet cleaning, textile cleaning. This is going to be an outstanding product to assist you to get excellent professional results every time. Go to BonnetPro.com. There's all kinds of information about the DreamWash system and what it can do for you with training and a variety of different resources, brochures, even a web package, so you can put professional images on your website and Facebook page even. So we have everything provided for you. It's like a franchise without the franchise financial slavery. You pick it a la carte, you buy it, it's yours, and then we supply you with ongoing support and fantastic products, because if the chemicals don't clean, everything else fails. So I've been working on these formulas for 2 years now for the DreamWash Mattress Cleaning System. I think you're going to be very pleased with what this does for you and the results and the compliments you get for and from your customers. You guys have a great day. All the best.